A beautiful and peaceful short video of a young little girl gently riding on a calm and friendly whale swimming slowly inside the deep blue ocean. Sun rays pass through the water, creating a magical and serene underwater atmosphere. The girl looks happy, safe, and amazed by the ocean world. She is softly reciting the dua Subhanalladhi sakhara lana hada wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. There is no background music and no noise, only clear, gentle voice recitation and soft natura. In a distant galaxy, an alien emerges from its spacecraft, radiating vibrant colors and energy, eager to connect with the universe through the art of cosmic dance. As the alien spins and leaps, it beckons to curious onlookers from Earth, inviting them to join in a celebration of joy and unity beneath the vast expanse of the cosmos. Slowly, the humans find their courage mirroring the aliens' movements, laughter filling the air as they unite under the starlit sky in a dance that transcends worlds.